We're just going to come grab something to eat. Might as well come with us. One thing we've already stuffed up with is we left this carrier in the pram, which is on its way to Kandal in the back of a ute, because Al reckons prams are no good here. And
too many stuff to carry.
And you're right, because look, you've got all this shit, so you can't really pram a kid in Phnom Penh. This is a riverside here, and it's all done up, isn't it? Nice lights and playground equipment still there. It's good. Range Rover. Didn't we eat at this joint once across the road?
Yeah.
So we just go have a look there?
Yeah.
Alright. Done. Deal. Mister, oh, he's seen this, he likes this. He has never been this hot in his life, you don't think?
No.
He just wants to eat everything, don't you? Including the camera. This is way past his bedtime. It's actually 11 o'clock by his... No, it's nearly midnight by his time.
12 o'clock.
12 o'clock and he's up like anything. Let's check out the piss. You can't really see that, but I'm going to get a local beer. Or an Asian beer, I think. Alright, this didn't last long. So much better here than doesn't travel very well. Sorry, I'll explain that better. This beer here is a lot better than the same beer in Australia. Anchor beer, back home is hit and miss. I think I've been eaten like Aussies too. We've just moved tables. We're trying to get Max to sleep. He's super sticky. He's out way past his bedtime. We're both hungry and tired, but here we are. And this might not be interesting, but this is what it's going to be, I think. This is the reality of travelling with infants. Expect to see a few more of these sort of scenes in the videos. Alright, so to go with your coconut shake, what is this again?
Stir-fried vegetable with prawn.
Looks pretty good.
That's alright.
I've gone the traditional lock-luck, and this is what it looks like here. Proper lock-luck with egg on it with the tomatoey sauce, not like the Aussie lock-luck that you saw in the last video where we had in Springvale after Khmer New Year. My beer's gone. I finished it. I'm getting another one. Don't panic. That went down way too easy. Oh look, just in time. Here it is. Uncle Chan. Just what the doctor ordered. Alright, dig in. We've finished our dinner and we're at a mini mart. It is a mini mart.
It's very mini.
It is very mini, isn't it? It's a mini mart.
Mini mart. Live off its name.
What do we want to get? I want to just get some... Actually, what about you like your tea? You remember the tea you always used to have?
Oh no, I don't want it now.
You don't want it here?
Not at the moment.
Marley?
Your favourite drink?
It's not the tangerine one. That's the best one. Let's just get some bloody drinks.
Get our son to bed.
Yeah, he needs to go to bed. He looks ratchet. Don't you, buddy? Oh, poor mister. These things look pretty enticing, like lime, apple, ginger, pasture, and then you read the top label, it says kombucha. So the best way to enjoy that is to pour it straight down the sink. It's fucking horrible. I don't care who you are. Maybe I'll get an extra barbecue just because. This is by far the greatest barbecue chip.
Just get one.
I'll get one.
You'll regret it.
I will, but it's a dollar. Do you want any of your
Chicken
weird
skin?
fish treats or any of these Thai things which they sort of gut animals, dry it out,
Not
salt
yet.
it and call it a treat?
Not yet, maybe tomorrow.
Oh, okay, you're working up to it.
Yeah, I need to sleep because I haven't slept today.
Okay, let's tally up. Do I get another beer?
Get another beer.
All right, I'll do that.
Holiday, mate.
Hey, you're right. I'm on holidays. What was that beer that we kept seeing?
But the what? The beer?
Crud. Krud. K-R-U-D. We've got to find Krud beer. Worst name. Righto, tally up my loot. That? I might have $2.25. Oh, jeez, I missed that.
Real.
I've got Riel. For real, I've got Riel. Mister, you can't take that. You didn't earn that, mister. I mean, that's just beautiful, isn't it?
Real, you have lots of real.
Oh, for real I do.
And you take plastic back too, man.
It's okay, we'll use it. Akon Chran. Jeez, I missed that. You go to like if you did that at Woolies and you'd come out with $20 worth of shit, basically. I got some chips, water and beer. $2. Brilliant. Yeah, old Garbos are at it.
And then they have to stand there all all the way
Yeah.
smelling the garbage.
What I was saying was, buying shit like this shouldn't cost you more than $5. Oh, it's starting to sink in again where we are. It's bloody fantastic. So what do you think of dinner? Meat was a bit tough, but yeah, what do you expect? Or whatever it was, $6 or something like that. Flavour was nice though. I thought it was pretty good.
Yeah.
Do you like your seafood thing with Gio?
6 out of 10.
6 out of 10.
Yeah.
Okay. You're not getting much from us tonight, but I said you were going to come along for the whole trip. And here you are. This metro looks fancy, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Can you imagine us in there with Mr. Bum trying to bloody...
Who care? We have money to pay.
Hey?
Who care? We can pay the bill.
I know we can pay the bill, but you're sitting in a fancy place and he's trying to pull the table apart. These blokes are at it again. Go around the back here. Look at this. Why are you taking me through this unbalanced place? But you know I've had 2 beers.
Oh no.
I am not piss fit.
There's no.
Oh, what?
Oh well.
We've got to climb through the bloody garbage. See what happens? You talk about the garbage people all night, and they've come back. Oh, shit. Oh, far out. To bloody stuff us up. All right.
I feel bad for walking the lift.
Why?
It's 1 floor.
Is it?
Yes.
I didn't notice before. I've had 2 drinks. Oh, I'm pissed. I'm not piss fit. Since he came out, I just cannot put
I
things
don't blame everything on him.
It's just a fact.
Blame.
No, it's a fact. He's out. He's kaput. So he should be. I don't know. This has probably turned out to be a bit of a shitty vlog, but look. You've come out to dinner for us. We've bought some crap. I'm going to have my chips and beer. And probably fall asleep in the next 20 minutes. So, it is. It's interesting for someone. Someone will watch this. Alright, I need my hands to get through the door here. We'll see you in another one. It'll be more interesting than this. Ciao.